오늘도 룰루잉글리쉬. 오늘은 아이와 산책할 때 쓸 수 있는 표현들을 정리해 볼게요. 잘 기억해 두셨다가 우리 아이들에게 영어로도 표현해 주세요. Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. Do you wanna ride in the stroller or walk? Do you wanna ride in the stroller or walk? Shall we go around the neighborhood? Shall we go around the neighborhood? It's a beautiful day today. It's a beautiful day today. Look at the sky. The sky is blue, isn't it? Look at the sky. The sky is blue, isn't it? Look at the white clouds. Look at the white clouds. It's raining. Let's take our umbrella. It's raining. Let's take our umbrella. This tree is bigger than the tree. This tree is bigger than the tree. This flower is a rose. This flower is a rose. That flower is a dandelion. That flower is a dandelion. You can see the mountain over there, can't you? You can see the mountain over there, can't you? Let's go to the mountain sometime. Let's go to the mountain sometime. Don't you feel good after our work? Don't you feel good after our work? Should we go back home? Should we go back home?